Hello. Hopefully everybody is doing good today and everybody is enjoying the nicer weather that we've been having for the most part. It's kind of getting there. But I am here today to share. This is my April Birch box, and I have not had a chance to peek in this one. I've been just really busy lately trying to wrap up a lot of things here around the home, so have not had a chance to look. And this is what the card says for this month's Birchbox. It says feed your mind, body, and soul. And that's what it says. And I love, one thing I do love about the Birchbox is that it has an explanation, a little short description of each product that is in your kit, which of course I don't usually read all the time and I have to go back and refer to it, but nevertheless it's there if you need it. And this first item is hydrating night cream, and it's hyaluronic acid. And this is night cream. I have never tried, believe it or not, using night cream, but I will definitely give it a try. I'm glad it doesn't have any scent. It's pretty scent, it doesn't have any scent to it, so that's good for a night cream not to have strong smells. And this is a perfume. Juliet has a gun, not a perfume, it says. That had me stumped when I first read it here, because I'm thinking, well, if it's not perfume, what is it? But it is indeed perfume. Let me see. And I think I've received this before, and it smells really nice, I think. I'm not sure, but that has a really nice scent to it, and that will go in my bag. Let's see what this is here. This is OUAI, Volume Spray for your hair. All right, that might be useful. I've had a lot of flyaways here recently, so maybe something to calm the flyaways would be good, but this is to give it volume. Volume, volume, volume. I'm not sure if I showed this little box, but it's Juliet has a gun, not a perfume. All right, and then this product here is Hula Benefits. Let's see, let's open this up and see what it is. Oh, how cute, how tiny, tiny, tiny. What is in this tiny little kit? Oh, it might be blush. But look how cute that is. Cute, 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 cute. And let's see what it says back here. It says bronzing powder. So it is a bronzing powder for the face. Interesting. Interesting. Well, and it's so cute. I love these little containers like that, because after I'm done using them for their purposes, then I put something else in there. And this is Cola, and it is Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. Okay, so it's a primer, and I don't know if my camera's going to catch with the light the way I have it. There we go. Probably the best I'm going to do with that lighting coming in from the side. I kind of like the light, but I'm not 100% sure if it's going to work. And this is Hum. It's Raw Beauty Superfood Powder, Coconut and Pineapple Tropical Infusion. And this is for, to add it to milkshakes, to your shakes, or to, even if it's not milk, some kind of shake. Interesting. That sounds kind of yummy. I am going to try that out and see what that tastes like. And that is all that I have in this month's Birch box. Really cute little box. I love to keep these. Look how pretty that is. To send a gift in to someone. I actually might use this one. Looks kind of cute. Maybe to send it to send a gift to my mom. It's her birthday coming up soon, and I think she would love that. That is super cute. I might do that depending on what I send to her. I might use that box. But anyhow, that is all that I have for this month's Birchbox, and I will see you all again in my next video. Thank you all for watching and commenting. I am enjoying reading all your comments, and I will be back soon. Bye now.